Hello everybody, myself R.S. Thackeray. Today we will discuss the paper Fundamental of Agricultural Extension Education. This is the part of PSCAG second sem. So today we are taking the topic Extension Education. We will discuss about its meaning, definition and scope. So here is the first point, meaning of extension education. So extension education, there is two words, one is extension and second one is education. When we talk about the extension word, then the extension word is derived from two Latin language word ex and tensio. These are the Latin language words. Okay, and the meaning of ex is out and tensio means to stretch. When we talk about the meaning of education, then the education word is derived from Greek language word educatum and the meaning of educatum is development. हिंदी में अगर हम बात करें तो एक्सटेंशन जो वर्ड है, एक्सटेंशन एजुकेशन दो शब्दों से मिलकर बना है, एक्सटेंशन और एजुकेशन। एक्सटेंशन को हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं प्रसार और एजुकेशन को हम बोलते हैं शिक्षा। प्रसार का जो इंग्लिश शब्द है वो लैटिन भाषा के दो शब्द एक्स और टेंसियो से मिलकर बना है। एक्स का मतलब होता है बाहर और टू स्ट्रेस का मतलब होता है फैलाना। जब हम एजुकेशन की बात करते हैं तो एजुकेशन जो शब्द है इंग्लिश का वो ग्रीक भाषा के एजुकेटम शब्द से बना है और एजुकेटम का मीनिंग होता है डेवलपमेंट अर्थात विकास। Now the second point is definition of extension education. So this is the first definition of extension education according to B. Ramabhai. B. Ramabhai said that the extension education is a two-way channel. It brings scientific information to the village people and also takes the problem of the village people to the scientific institution for solution. It is a continuous educational process in which both farmers and extension worker contribute and receive. हिंदी में अगर हम बात करें तो बी रमाबाई कहते हैं कि प्रसार एक दोहरा रास्ता है जिसमें वैज्ञानिक ज्ञान ग्रामीण जनता तक तथा उनकी समस्या वैज्ञानिक संस्थाओं तक उपचार हेतु जाती है। यह एक लगातार चलने वाली पद्धति है जिसमें प्रसार कार्यकर्ता और कृषक दोनों ही एक दूसरे से सीखते हैं तथा सिखाते हैं। अब हम इसके बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं, इस परिभाषा के बारे में, इस डेफिनेशन के बारे में कि ऐसा कैसे है कि हम प्रसार को दोहरा रास्ता कैसे कह सकते हैं। सपोज दैट देयर इज अ साइंटिफिक इंस्टीट्यूशन एंड वी नो वेरी वेल that the scientific institution always research on new things, on new technology, and new information for the everybody. Okay, so we are the agriculture students, so we will talk about the farmers, that the scientific institution solve the technology, new technology by which the farmer can improve his farming his social status, economic status and psychological status. So the scientific institution, when the scientific institution produce any type of new information and technology for the farmers, then the extension education helps to reach that information, that technology near about the farmer, and the extension education takes the problems of the farmers to the scientific institution for the solution. Okay, so this is the continuous educational process because the scientific institution always produce a new technology for the farmers and the farmers problems are not ending and they feel any new type of problem, then the extension workers take that type of problem to the scientific institution for the solution. Okay, so this is the continuous educational process in which both extension worker and farmer both contribute and receive to each other. Clear? So this is the definition according to B. Ramabai. Now we will talk about the second definition. This is according to H.W. Butt, and he said that we can define extension as the increased dissemination of useful knowledge for improving rural life. हिंदी में प्रसार को हम ग्रामीण जीवन सुधारने के लिए उपयोगी ज्ञान के फैलाव कहते हैं। ठीक है, H.W. बट क्या कहते हैं कि जो प्रसार है वो क्या है, ग्रामीण जीवन को सुधारने के लिए जो उपयोगी ज्ञान है उसका जो फैलाव होता है, एक्सटेंशन होता है, उसको हम क्या कहेंगे, उस फैलाव को हम कहेंगे कि ये एक्सटेंशन है। सो H.W. बट सेड दैट द वी कैन डिफाइन द एक्सटेंशन एजुकेशन एट द इंक्रीज्ड डिसेमिनेशन ऑफ यूजफुल नॉलेज। यूजफुल नॉलेज का क्या करना है, डिसेमिनेशन करना है, फॉर व्हाट, फॉर इम्प्रूविंग द रूरल लाइफ। क्लियर? नाउ द थर्ड डेफिनेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू Dr. J.K. Chauhan. So Dr. J.K. Chauhan, he said that extension education is an informal education. It is bringing a desirable change in knowledge, attitude, skills and understanding of rural peoples by which they can improve his social, economic and psychological status. हिंदी में प्रसार शिक्षा एक अनौपचारिक शिक्षा है जो कि ग्रामीण मनुष्यों के ज्ञान, मनोवृत्ति, क्षमता एवं समझ में एक वांछित परिवर्तन लाता है जिससे कि वे अपने सामाजिक, आर्थिक एवं मनोवैज्ञानिक स्तर को ऊंचा उठा सकें। सो ही वांट टू से दैट द एक्सटेंशन वर्कर इज अ informal education. Informal education means the out of school education. So the extension education is the second type of education which is called the informal education, and the first type of education is formal education, that is called the formal education because we get the knowledge and information from the school and college. Okay, so the extension education is the informal education. This is the first point, and the second point is which is bringing a desirable change. desirable change मतलब एक मतलब वांछित परिवर्तन लाने का प्रयास करती है, किस चीज़ में, इन द नॉलेज, इन द एटीट्यूड, स्किल्स एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ रूरल पीपल्स। मतलब जो कहते हैं प्रसार शिक्षा है वो ग्रामीण मनुष्यों के ज्ञान, मनोवृत्ति, क्षमता एवं समझ में एक वांछित परिवर्तन लाती है। अब वांछित परिवर्तन अगर लाया जाएगा तो क्या होगा, कि जिससे कि वे अपने सामाजिक, आर्थिक एवं मनोवैज्ञानिक स्तर को ऊंचा उठा सकते हैं। ओके, सो ही वांट टू से इफ द डिजायरेबल चेंज विल कम इन द रूरल इंडिविजुअल्स देन they can improve his social, economic and psychological status. So these are the some definitions about the extension education. Now we will talk about the scope of extension education. So there is 9 areas. So we can say these 9 areas covered the scope of extension education. So number one scope is efficiency in agricultural production. So we have to increase the agricultural production. This is the main object of the extension education. Now the second is efficiency in marketing, distribution and utilization. This is also the scope of extension education. Now the third one is conservation, development and use of natural resource. So we have to use the natural resources, we have to conserve the agricultural production and we have to develop. Okay, this is also comes under the scope of extension education. Now the fourth one is management on the farm and in the home. We have to manage the farm and the home also. These are also the scope of extension education. Number 5 is family living. We have to live the standard life. So the family living of agricultural farmers and the rural individuals should be standards. Okay, number 6 is youth development. Number 7 is leadership development. This is also comes in the scope of extension education. Number 8 is community development. This is also the scope of extension education. And number 9 is public affairs. So today we talk about the meaning of extension education, definition of extension education, and the scope of education. Now when we will come in the next video, then we will talk about another topic. Thank you very much. Okay.